Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the copyright symbol on your Google Docs mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to insert the copyright symbol in Google Docs mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just going to open this document first here and just going to edit option. Now I just need to insert the copyright symbol. So you can't find a insert symbol option on the this in the Google Docs mobile, so use your keyboard. So here I just using Google keyboard. You just want to press this option, then you just need to press this option again. You will see this copyright symbol or present here. You can place wherever you want, like this copyright symbol. So there is a copyright symbol. You can use this by clicking this again. You can just insert copyright symbol like this. I think this video helped you lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel, and we will meet on next video with a super valuable Google Docs content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.